How you doing?
Say hi, Grandma.
How you feeling?
She's just staring at Chloe. Chloe. Here, hold up Kalina and I'll take that one. She's smiling.
Let me.
I got her. Here. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. This is Chloe. This is our new baby.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Hi, Chloe. Say hi, Grandma. Grandma. Grandma does have a loose tooth.
Hi, Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
Oh, you sweet little boy. Yeah.
You know who she is?
Uh-huh.
Who is that? That's Grandma. Tell Grandma your name.